years and she was a child, she always knew how to get her way. Just act a little bit wild and someone will surely come to play. It's a truth she took to heart, but humility and she didn't come with age. She's born to play with her toddy, but always center stage. Toddlers raise the ball louder and louder, relishing in untestable power. Lower branding of black and white, seeing the one that only candle gleam. Stoking the flames that went higher and higher, royalty with a crown of fire. Setting a blaze in extravagant, seeing the one that only candle gleam. To adrenaline and always looking for attention. Thought to be so genuine when she suddenly met with apprehension. The fighting has begun and she'd do anything to get ahead, like using deep last ladder rungs and sweeping each else onto the bed. Toddlers raise the ball louder and louder, relishing in untestable power. Lower branding of black and white, seeing the one that only candle gleam. Stoking the flames that went higher and higher, royalty with a crown of fire. Setting a blaze in extravagant, seeing the one that only candle gleam. Ah, but there's hope for you still, before it all comes apart. Ah, you just need to chill, it's not the end of the world. She just can't help but be this way. She lost her true self long ago. Now all her friends have pushed away because the caricature is all they know. Toddlers raise the ball louder and louder, everyone rushing to get some of her. All alone in a black and white, seeing the one that only candle gleam. Heart with the flames that went higher and higher, clutching a broken crown of fire. All alone in the final, seeing the one that only candle gleam. What a pity, the candle queen.
Каждый день на своей волне, Dead Inside сидит во мне. Как его выгнать, что за бред? Сижу среди четырех стен, уже не важно где и с кем. Ты ушла, ушли проблемы. Каждый день на своей волне, Dead Inside сидит во мне. Как его выгнать, что за бред? Сижу среди четырех стен, уже не важно где и с кем. Ты ушла, ушли проблемы.
sucks. I'm about to ditch. Don't even try to give me shit. I've earned the right to be like this. Oh, you say you love me? That's funny. Well, so do I. Joyride.